I was at the supermarket the other day and I saw these delicious chocolate sponge cakes with hazelnuts. I was tempted to buy them, but then I thought, well, maybe I can bake them. So I'm going to use this brownie pan that comes with a divider grid to give them the perfect shape. I always like to start preparing my pan so when the cake batter is ready, I can put it right away and it doesn't have to sit there waiting and losing volume. So grease your pan and place an over paper, or maybe dust it with flour if you prefer it that way. I'm going to cut the hazelnuts too to have them ready. If you're not very fond of hazelnuts, you can replace them with any other nuts or not add them at all. The amount of nuts is also your choice. Your cake, your rules. I like to separate the smaller pieces from the big ones. I will add the smallest to the batter and leave the big ones for decoration. To make sure the big chunks stay on the top of the cake and don't fall inside, I recommend you throw them first. Reserve, and we are ready to start making our cake. Whisk the two whites until stiff and reserve. When mixing yolks and sugar, you always want to aim for a creamy texture. This will take a few minutes, so be patient here. Next, let's add the liquids. Make sure it's all very well integrated. Now the dry ingredients. And finally, today's naughty touch, the small pieces of hazelnuts. To finish, add the stiff whites to add volume. Remember to add them with delicate folding movements to preserve those little bubbles that will give the cake a fluffy texture. Get rid of the excess flour before placing the hazelnuts on the cake batter. Hope you like this recipe. Leave a comment if you made it or if you have any questions that I can help you with. Have a great day and see you soon.